So you might get confused when you're shopping for steel that you want to use in your landscape or even inside your house. There's so many different varieties. So galvanized, it can either be iron or it can be steel. And the most popular way to galvanize something is to dip it in a vat of zinc. And oftentimes that gives it this crystallized look, which sometimes you might notice, like if you're driving on the road, those barriers that keep your cars in, they have that really speckled metal. That's galvanized. There's that. There's of course mild steel, which is extremely popular. There's hot rolled and there's cold rolled. Cold roll is a little more expensive because there's a little more processing involved in that, but it gives you a smoother finish and it doesn't rust as fast. But it just depends on the application you're trying to do. Of course, there's stainless steel, which you see all over the landscape, whether it's in lighting. I sometimes use it for edging or sometimes just like a panel or something decorative. And there's so many different varieties of stainless and different grades. It actually has to have 11.5% chromium to even be considered stainless. And so when it comes to metal, there's so much to know. I wrote a book and it has a section about metal. So if you want to know more, check it out. Big Impact Landscaping.